My name's Isra Mohammed.
Syed.
Yes, Isra Said Mohammed.
My middle name is Syed. It's spelled as Said.
No, it's not.
S-A-I-D.
No, it's not, guys.
So,
he just
a
says
little
it.
joke here that goes, it's your Said. What did she say?
Listen, my name's Isra Said. It's not spelled like that. Stop lying to them. So, how old are you guys?
I am 25 years old.
I'm chest. I can't breathe.
Why are you lying?
No, okay, tell her.
Guys,
he's been 26.
He's been 26 for 2 years, yeah?
So, do you want me to bring my passport right now?
Stop making it.
My
Your
passport
passport's fake. Okay? Cool. Anyway.
You was born January the 1st.
But I wasn't.
Like every single Somali.
No, I wasn't. So, can you say your correct age?
I am 26 years old.
I'm 21.
Okay.
What's 9 plus 10?
21.
That's me.
Wait, it's not 21. Well, why? I don't even know why I said 21.
Where are you from?
I'm from a small country in East Africa called Burundi, next to Tanzania.
You're Congolese. Guys, he's lying. I just found out recently that he's Congolese. He's been lying to me all this time.
Do I look Congolese? Please. Okay. Come on, man. No offense to the Congolese people. I listen to Congolese music. They call it. Hey, Amado. Hey, Amado. Listen. Shout out Coffee all me there though. But I'm not Congolese. I'm from Burundi.
Anyway, I'm half Somali, half Italian. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
Wait.
Why are you laughing?
Where's the Italian coming from?
Anyway,
she is fully Somali.
No, why am I lying?
Look at your head.
So what's wrong with my head?
Look at your forehead.
What's wrong with my forehead? God,
there's no Italian in there. It's fully Somali.
Guys, I'm half Somali, half Italian. Okay?
If you don't believe that, boy, go on.
I'm joking. Guys, I'm fully Somali. Shout out to my Somali gang. Yeah?
Somaliland.
Somali gang, relax, I'm not Somaliland.
Wow.
What? Nah, no.
Why is that a shade there? What?
I'm not shading no one. I'm not shading no one, but I'm Somali. So I have to shout out for Somalis, yeah?
Shout out Somaliland then.
Yeah, that's your people's.
What? Habarian is in that. Hey, H-Y. Anyway, H-Y, that's all I know. Get me? Cool.
Where were you born?
I was born in Burundi, but I left there quite young. I went and lived in Tanzania for like 4 or 5 years.
I was born in Italy, in a town called Ferrara.
Ferrara and then Mandela.
So the next question is, when did you guys get married?
We got married May 13th.
So we had our nikah on May the 13th, and we had our wedding on May the 18th. Somaliland Independence Day, shout out to you guys.
Which was
cool.
Hannah.
Yeah, not gonna lie, it was lit.
The next question is, how long did you guys know each other before you lot got married?
2 years and 2 weeks, I believe.
Show them that thing then, you're not even showing them probably. Cost the arm and the leg.
You're an idiot.
Nah, I told you, I told you straight away that I wanted to get married though.
Yeah.
Yeah,
he was on it. He wanted to secure the gal. He wanted to say it's a wife. Okay, cool.
Next question is, where did you guys go on your first date?
We went to cinema.
Yeah, we just
went to go watch Avengers: Age of Ultron.
I was the one taking her out, so I was so confused. I didn't even know what she liked or what she wanted to do. But everyone likes to go cinema.
Let me tell you something, innit, yeah?
Wait.
Nah. I've been to the cinema more times with him than I ever have in my whole entire life. I've never been to the cinema.
Everyone goes cinema. So I thought, you know what? I know it's a bit, everyone does that on the first day, but I thought, that's simple. Little did I know, this girl's probably only been cinema before that, like what?
2-3 times.
2-3 times?
Yeah.
So since then, like, We used to go cinemas a lot.
Yeah. So guys, that's the end of our video. We hope you enjoyed getting to know us a little bit more. We wanted to wish you a happy new year.
Happy New Year's, everyone. Hopefully 2018 is yours and brings you more blessings, inshallah.
And we also wanted to tell you to like, comment and subscribe. Let us know